Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers. Let's go kids. Now you open colors. And first you open brown color. Wow, nice color. Wow, yellow color. Kids, now you open wow, green color. Nice color. Very good kids, green color. Kids, now you open black color. Black color. Wow, black color. Wow, kids, red color. Very good kids, red color. Kids, last you open blue color. Wow, blue color. Nice color. Wow. Wow, kids. Yellow color. Black color. Very good kids. Green color. Nice color. Purple color. Wow. Brown color. Pink color. Orange color. Light green color. Sky blue color. And blue color. Wow, light pink color. And last one is red color. Kids, now you draw one. And here is blue color. One. O-N-E, one. Very good kids. One. Kids, now you draw two. The numbers of two and use red color. Two. T-W-O, two. Very good kids. The numbers of two. Three. T-H-R-W, three. The numbers of three. Very good kids. The numbers of three. Black color. Four. The numbers of four. F-O-U-R, four. Kids, now you draw five. Very good kids. The numbers of five. F-I-V-E, five. Kids, now you draw six. Six. S-I-X, six. The numbers of six. Kids, now you draw seven. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. The numbers of seven. Kids, now you draw eight. And use dark green color. Dark green color. Wow, eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. The numbers of eight. Kids, now you draw nine. Nine. N-I-N-E, nine. Kids, now you draw 10. And use brown color. Brown color. Very good kids. The numbers of 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use orange color. Orange color. Kids, now you draw 12. The numbers of 12. Very good kids. The numbers of 12. And use pink color. 13. The numbers of 13. And use dark green color. Kids, now you draw 14. The numbers of 14. Wow. The numbers of 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15. And use red color. Red color. Very good kids. The numbers of 15. Kids, now you draw 16. And use light green color. Light green color. 16. The numbers of 16. Kids, now you draw 17. The numbers of 17. Very good kids. The numbers of 17. Kids, now you draw 18. The numbers of 18. Very good kids, the numbers of 18 and use black color. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use red color. 19. Kids, now you draw 20. The numbers of 20 and use brown color. Brown color. 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, now you draw 21. The numbers of 21. Very good, kids. The numbers of 21. Kids, now you draw 22. The numbers of 22. Wow. Very good, kids. The numbers of 22 and use sky blue color. Sky blue color. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.